This is before using the Crest 3D White Toothpaste. I did use the 3D White strips on my teeth today, and they were pretty stained from coffee and tea. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start using the Crest 3D White. I think I've used this before and was pleased with it, but I didn't do a video review of it, so I'll try to capture this information this time. I use baby toothbrushes. There'll be a link at the end of this video about why I do that and why perhaps maybe you should. It's all extra and glittery. They're not glowing the dark hot or anything, but this is a week later and I can tell a huge difference. I really wasn't expecting to see that much of a difference, but I drink a lot of coffee and tea, and I had like a lot of stains like up in here behind my teeth, and the regular toothpaste just wasn't getting it out. So I thought I'm just going to check this, and really and truly, like after a couple of days of using this, the stains were gone, which I was pretty amazed and pleased about. So I'm liking this. It doesn't have a bad flavor. It just has like no negatives so far. Very happy after a week. This is how much of the product I've used in a week. Previously, before starting the Crest 3D White, I was using the Crest baking soda and peroxide, which is supposed to be a whitening agent as well, but it wasn't addressing the coffee and tea stains at all. This is 3 weeks of using the Crest 3D White. They're still not white, but the stains are gone, and I'm continuing to drink a lot of coffee throughout the day without rinsing my mouth because it's winter time, and I'll have coffee in the morning on the way to school. I'll drink a cup of coffee during the morning and then have another one during my planning period, which is in the afternoon. And so I'm not brushing my teeth during the day. Only once in the morning and once at night. So far I'm super pleased with this. I think at the end of the month, when I'm able to end this experiment and start using the Crest white strips again, along with this product, that my teeth are going to be as white as I would like for them to be. But I'm happy right now that the stains are gone. This is how much of the product I've used after 3 weeks. Probably going to get, what, another week out of this? So maybe a tube, using it twice a day. It's going to last one person about a month. Maybe a little bit longer. I've been using the toothpaste now for exactly 5 weeks. I didn't do any footage last weekend because I was so sick. I just stayed in the recliner and tried to recuperate, and actually that's what I did all day yesterday. You can probably still see in my eyes that I'm not feeling great. Very happy with this toothpaste. My teeth are not glow in the dark white by any means, but their stains are all gone, and I'm headed to the store. I'm probably going to buy another tube of this today. Very pleased with it. And if you like, you can watch my videos about my front fillings. It's pretty obvious that I've had a lot of dental work. At the end of 5 weeks, this is how much product is left in the tube, and I'm really trying to squeeze to get any product out now. So using it twice a day has lasted me for 5 weeks. I need to put a little thing on the end to squeeze it out, but I didn't do it on this because I wanted to show how much was going to be left in the tube for real. Well, I like this product. Thank you for watching my video about the Crest 3D White. Please watch another video if you have time, and give any and all a thumbs up. Leave a positive comment below letting us know what you think about this product or other products so that we can become better consumers and have happier lives. Check the links below for more information about this product and others. Thank you.